Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Vonda Sharon. Welcome. I know you saw that topic and you are ready to get into it. I'm not going to keep you long with doing any rambling. If you see me looking off, I've just got some cues and some notes set up here. So we're going to jump right into it. Here are 15 tips that you can use for when you are hosting summer parties this summer. Number 1. It is not a fan favorite. Nobody likes it, but you definitely have to plan ahead. Let's just say, for example, you want to have a 4th of July party and it is like May or Father's Day in June. My eye went to itching. And you're like, okay, so if it's Father's Day, you've got plenty enough time. You got 2 weeks, my goodness. You've got 2 weeks to get everything, in motion. Definitely wait till the kids are put down to sleep. Maybe grab you a glass of wine, unwind your mind, and start planning. You definitely want to plan ahead. Give yourself enough time to find the best deals and discounts, okay? Because this party, we're definitely planning on a budget, okay? Number 2. You can DIY your decorations. You can definitely use materials like paper, balloons, and string lights. You can definitely get some paper and balloons definitely from the Dollar Tree or the Dollar Tree 125-cent store. And definitely get some of those items from there. You can get some fairy lights definitely from Amazon. You may even be able to look on TikTok nowadays and catch a good sale, or Temu. Temu be coming with the deals. They have that $100 coupon if you've never shopped on there before. So you definitely can look on there and find some deals and discounts. This one is a game changer. I need you to lean in with me. Potluck. Okay? Potluck. Tell everyone that you're inviting to the party to bring their favorite dish or their favorite dish that they can bring, that they like to make. If you know Marcy is not a good cook, you may want to assign Marcy to bringing dinner rolls or stopping and getting paper plates or ice or something like that. Everyone can do potluck. Or if you know those that can't cook and that they can pick up something, then definitely assign them to that. Definitely, this is another game changer that will save you tons of money. Look for outdoor venues like your public parks or beaches, your local public parks or beaches. Definitely look at those and see, because that's going to save you a lot of money too, because food and venues are going to cost you the most. So if you can do potluck, potluck, and if you can do an outdoor public park or beach, definitely saving that money, and that's what you want to do. Also, here's another one. I don't know if you knew this, but you can look at thrift stores for decorations. Thrift stores is going to be your main spots, and definitely, on thrift stores, on certain days, they have where you can take an extra percentage off. So you definitely want to take advantage of those. Also, take advantage of the thrift stores in the affluent / wealthy / rich neighborhoods, because they're going to have better quality items. Don't go where it's oversaturated in a not so good area, okay? Because you're not going to find anything good, okay? Don't even waste your time. Here's the other one. Once you get past food, the venue, you know it, alcohol. Tell them, hey, it's BYOB, okay? BYOB, because I don't know what you like to drink. You know what you like to drink the best and the most, so you just bring it with you, okay? All right. Definitely keep the menu simple, or like I said earlier, you can just go with potluck. Okay. Also, playing games and activities that don't require too much. Pick up some games and activities. Games you can find, like I said, at the thrift store. Then definitely look on Facebook, look on here on the YouTube, and definitely look on TikTok and see what games you can find. You know, you can DIY those games. Yes. Let's DIY them. What else? You can definitely take advantage of some of nature's own for decorations, such as rocks, shells, and flowers. Do you have a flower bed? Just pick you some flowers out your flower bed, okay? Pick them out. No, I'm just kidding. But you can get some flowers from your local Kroger, your local Ralph, Walmart. Just don't go to those expensive floral shops because they're going to be expensive, okay? Definitely, to save us some money, we can do invitations off of Etsy. You pay that one-time fee, go ahead and create it. Send it out in a mass text message. You don't have to personalize everything and send it in the snail mail, okay? Just send it out digitally unless they're your elders. Then you'll want to print a couple of those from like CVS or Walgreens for what, 39 cents, 36 cents. That's not going to break the bank, okay? Repurpose some items that you've used before. Nobody's going to know, okay? Just repurpose those items and use them for that party. This one right here is my favorite of them all. Choose a theme party. Like, let's say if it's summertime, then you want to have like a Hawaiian luau type of theme. Love that, because you can, you know, now you know what your theme is. Now you know what you should be looking for, the color scheme and stuff like that. That will help definitely keep you on track. And definitely Dollar Tree has those items, okay? Dollar Tree is going to be your hub. Dollar Tree is going to be where you get most of your stuff from. $1.25 tree store, okay? That's going to be your spot. Buying in bulk. Sometimes at Sam's you definitely get a better deal when you go to Sam's or Costco's and buy things in bulk. But again, your major items, you know, will come from the people that you invited to the party, because the venue is probably going to be outside or a free beach or a free park. Potluck is going to be for the food, and then alcohol, they're going to bring their own favorite alcohol. So other than that, there should be probably 1 or 2 items that you would need to buy in bulk, but it definitely will save you some money. Also, if you're in the content creator space or you have a large following, hey, you can Google, type it out, and see how you can collaborate with some sponsors. Because if you've got a large enough following, over, let's say 5,000 or more, you definitely can collaborate with some sponsors and get some sponsorships for people to sponsor your party. A simple email, a look up, you know, on LinkedIn who you need to email and get to emailing them. Not everybody will say yes, but at least 1 out of 5 will get a yes, okay? Let me know how it go in the comments and what's your favorite item to bring to your parties that you go to in the summertime down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.